Hey guys, Grant here, and today I'll be showing you how to make this nice modern image of a tree. So first thing that we have here is a tree. So the first thing that we want to do is take the background and make it an editable layer. So let's just name this the tree. And then just for heaven's sake, just make a new layer and call that the background. Just double click and don't misspell like I did. Alright, cool. So first thing we want to do on the tree layer is that we want to go and delete all of this white. So I like to do this with my magic wand tool. Right click on the quick selection tool and select this. So if we go like there, nice. Then we have all the white gone. Let's go ahead and take away the black layer too. And if you want, like, this would be more time consuming because you have to go every single one. And you have that mistake of having to do that. So instead of doing that, I would just go to the quick selection tool, make it a bit bigger using the bracket keys, and just go around and try not to hit any of the tree. Because this is a very fast version of what I actually made. It's going to take a lot longer. So I accidentally cut off a piece of the tree, but that's okay because the person doesn't know what it looks like until they see you don't know what it's going to look like. So it's alright. And then we just want to go and take away this tiny part, like right here. Take away that and that. Nice. Alright. Next thing we want to do is let's zoom out a little bit. And just go ahead and go to the magic wand tool again. Just go and just select, actually, never mind. Just go back to the quick selection tool, make it a bit bigger, and just select all of tree. Alright, and a little bit of this, that. Make it a bit smaller. Go for the bark or the trunk. Alright, nice. So next thing you want to do is make sure your foreground color is black and change it to brush tool. Now right clicking, crank the size up a bit, nice, and just go ahead and just color the whole thing black. Alright, now deselect by doing Command or Control D, and now we have our tree. Of course, as I said before, this is a very quick version. If, like, when I was really making this, I spent a lot more time, and therefore there's a lot more stuff. So, this is really quick version. So just go and Control Command T, bring it up, crank it up a bit, and just make it so it covers the whole screen. Nice. Press Enter to accept the changes, and take the color background image that I have, and just also make this a new layer, but don't have to name it. Just grab it and just bring it up here, and now we have the new layer. Alright, so we're gonna have to zoom out a lot and go like this, so we can get as many of the colors as we possibly want to into the center, and that's a bit too small. Oops. Alright. So the thing with the tree layer is that you might notice there's just some white over here. Just use a quick selection tool or the wand tool and just get rid of it. Really simply. Alright, cool. And oops, there's also that stuff. So if you ever just run into some problems, just select the layer. You can very easily get out of it. As you can see, we're almost done with the image. So next thing we want to do is just get some birds. So I'm gonna make a new group, and we're gonna call this the birds. Alright, now that we have the birds, we're just gonna go into our birds.jpg and just go and get the rectangular marquee tool. Press M on the keyboard to get it. Just choose a bird that you want. So I would choose this white bird. Now click V, and now you have this. Now you can move this around. So I'm gonna move this into the tree.jpg and bring it right here. And you're like, hey, there's a background. I'm like, yeah. So we take out our wand tool and just go select it, delete, boom. Now we have one. Now let's just go press Command or Control T adjust it a little bit. Even though it might look a bit pixelated when you're done, it's great. Alright, so we just want to name this bird 1. Go back, repeat the process, and let's choose this one. Go, bring the second one, and that was not a good one. Let's do it again. Go, bring the second one, and bring that one up there. Get the wand. Don't do that. Click on that, delete, and let's just adjust it a tiny bit. Alright, and now we have bird 2. We just want to put it under this layer. Alright, now we have this, and if we just want to go get another one, oops, okay, well, that's alright. So now, this is basically the whole image. As you can tell, I obviously spent a lot of time, as when you're making images, time is of the essence. So you will have to spend a lot of time to make a good image. But this is basically how you can make an image just like this. Alright, my name's Gradon, and I'll see you next time.